Hello there, this is Joe Baumann from OnlineForexAnalysis.com. I'm doing a market update for the 4th of July 2010, and we will be looking at the Euro CAD as a trade and also going through a couple other of the currencies. Let's go. So what we have here is the Euro CAD. This is a monthly Euro CAD. Looks like we've had this upwards channel, and then we're getting squashed down, sort of like a ascending triangle. Now we had here a doji, right? And then we've got a that's a doji undecided which way to want to go. We've got a shooting star, which is definitely a reversal candle. Basically, the bears have fought off the bulls here, and now what we could be seeing is a follow through on the downside, confirming it with a bear candle, and therefore if we do sort of in the next 2 months or so get a break, below this, the 136.68 level, which is a bit far-fetched as we speak, but just to give you an idea, you'd be looking at a 131.60 target. So anyway, let's just home in a little bit on this. Now what we have here on the weekly Euro CAD is that yes, we did have a double top, and it looks like we're just coming off that. There's no real indication here from the weekly that I can see that says to me that okay, we could be going a lot further down, except if we do get a bear indication here. This looks like a sort of an ascending wedge. Right on this week, if we do get a bit of a break here, we could possibly be seeing a 133.99, 134 mark. So that's interesting that I just spotted that. And not only, let's have a look at the daily now. The daily is pretty much what I'm trading out of. And from the top to the bottom to the break of this sort of reverse wedge, it's given me the 137.57 mark. Now what we see here in this area there, I'll show you, just whack it up there, see that there, anyway, is that in this area here we're seeing a retest of the channel line, and obviously looking to be followed by some more bearish sentiment there. Now let's go to the intraday. This is a 4-hour graph. Now what I had here was, which was interesting, is that we had this downwards channel, and then it broke, and basically the target was giving me the 139.99 mark. Now we've got a bull flag in formation. Not to say that it will break, but I'm keeping my eye on this because I haven't entered the trade yet, and I'm still waiting to enter. Sorry, and what I'm keeping my eye on is that, okay, we've got this bull flag here in formation. The target is on a break of, say, the next 4 hours is a 140 mark. So what I'm looking here is if we do get that break, and I go back to the daily, we might get another test of this upwards channel line, and therefore I would be taking I'll be putting an order in, and my order is basically at this level here. I'm just waiting. I might have to manually enter this, but I do want to put an order in after this video for about 139.60, 139.70 mark. Okay, now a stop here, we've got about 114 average true range. That's the average true range, average volatility of the last 14 days measured, and that'll give me sort of the 140.22 mark, which I'll put my stop at. Giving me a target of 137.57 is basically sort of like 160 to 100 odd pips there. So it's not the perfect 2-to-1 ratio, but it's a 1 to 1.6, which is not too bad either. So just keep that in mind. So that's that's the trade that I would like to share with you today on the Euro CAD, and feel free to email me if there's any questions. To my members, they get all my recent posts and alerts, and to all of you, if you want to sign up, it's $5 and $30 ongoing for every month. So that's Jay Baumann from onlineforexanalysis.com signing out.